Most people think of skincare as something that just works on the surface, a moisturizer here, a serum there. But what if there was something that went deeper, something that supported your skin and your body's natural repair process at the cellular level? That's where Metasomer comes in. Metasomer is not your average serum. It contains the same active ingredient as nanosoma, a compound known for helping the body restore itself by addressing DNA damage and supporting cellular renewal. That means you're not just improving how your skin looks on the outside, you're supporting resilience and vitality from the inside out. It comes in two forms, the Metasomer gel and the telomerase cream. Both are powerful, but each offers a slightly different application. The gel is excellent for acute areas of discomfort or places on your body that need focused attention. The cream is a favorite for daily skincare and anti-aging benefits, giving your skin a smoother, more youthful appearance. And the results people are sharing are nothing short of inspiring. Take June, for example. She wrote in to tell us that her sister had a stubborn wound on her nose that had lingered for years. Nothing seemed to work. But after applying the Metasomer gel, it began to close and heal. For them, it felt like a breakthrough. That's just one story, but it shows what can happen when the body gets the right support at the cellular level. Think about it. Our bodies are exposed to stress, toxins, and environmental factors every single day that can cause wear and tear on our cells. Over time, this shows up as fine lines, wrinkles, stiffness, or even areas of discomfort that don't seem to go away. Metasomer helps by encouraging repair and renewal right where it's needed most. It supports your skin's ability to regenerate, reduces visible signs of aging, and helps restore vitality to the areas you apply it. And the best part? It's simple. A small amount of gel or cream applied consistently can make a noticeable difference, whether you're dealing with skin that needs renewal, discomfort that needs soothing, or just want to feel like you're turning back the clock. Because real anti-aging isn't just about appearance, it's about feeling more alive, more resilient, and more comfortable in your own skin. Metasomer helps you do that naturally. Try it now. Click the link in the description. This is Martin Pytela, restoring vitality to you and the planet.
Hey! Hey!